Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a QR code on Canva. So from your Canva homepage, I'm going to click on Create, and I'm going to create a custom design with a standard 500 times 500 pixels, and I'm going to click Create New Design. So from here, this is where we're going to create our QR code. So I'm going to have a look at the templates and type in QR code, and loads of cool QR code designs will come up. So I quite like this one. I'm going to click on there. So I'm going to add in my own website name, so you can add in your own website name. So Remote Work Rebels. Then we're going to add the QR code. So I'm going to delete this code in a minute, and I'm going to show you why. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on the apps section on the left-hand side. I'm going to type in QR code and click on that. And I'm going to click on the first one that comes up that says QR code. So this is how you can generate your QR code. So all you need to do is add the URL where you want people to go to when they scan the QR code. So for this tutorial, I'm going to copy and paste the link to my website. Going to come back, going to add in my URL and click on generate code. So you can see it's given me the code here. So I'm just going to delete that code bar at the back, and I'm going to position my QR code that is scannable right in the center there. So what I can do is I can just move it around to make sure it fits, move the writing up a little bit, and just edit it until I get it to my exact liking. And then I can download that QR code and share it with people, and that will take people to my website once they scan it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.